Alright, so I'm going to do something quite similar to one of the previous videos, but there's a couple of wee variations on it. Just turn the oven on. The ratatouille pizza pie, which was very good. I'm going to basically do that again, but with a bolognese that I made, and I'm going to do a slight variation on the flatbread, but basically it's very similar. So a couple of fairly thin base, so just a small amount of self-raising flour. Pinch of salt. Put a wee bit of pepper in it, why not? I think I'll go fairly, what have I got? So it's bolognese. It's going to get quite dark. Put a wee bit of, just a wee bit of mixed herbs into it. Just your basic mixed herbs. So salt, a bit of olive oil. Too much. And the main difference, I've been making flatbreads recently, have been coming out very good, and I've been using milk instead of water. So that's what I'm going to use, a wee touch of milk. I think the milk makes them a wee bit softer, nicer texture, but I've put in a wee bit too much olive oil into this, so this is actually quite similar to the previous one, but it'll be okay. It's going to make it good. So this kind of method of making a wee flatbread is very good. I quite need. Roughly circular. Be quite it's going to be very brittle, I think. Yeah, with that much oil it's going to be quite brittle, but as usual with these kind of things, the more difficult they are to work with, generally the better they taste. It's supposed to be a circle, I just cannot roll out a circle for the life of me. So stupid. It'll fall apart. It's too much oil, you see. That's a disaster, that. Let's try and just... let's start again. Doesn't always work. I'm thinking to maybe put a bit of flour on it, that might kind of help hold it together a wee bit more. Yeah, I really need somebody to show me how to roll a circle. That's, you know, I started off with a ball there and now I've got a flipping rectangle. Alright. And because I kind of dried this up, I'll put a wee touch of olive oil into the pan. Again, too much. Still, too much is better than too little. It will fry nicely. Just dump that in. Made it a wee bit bigger, but that's okay. What I'll do is same as last time, I'll stick that onto the heat. Clear up. So a couple of days ago I made a bolognese, exactly the same recipe as the previous bolognese video. I think the only difference was I used anchovies in this recipe, which is really good. Kind of quite a lot, probably about a third of one of those wee small jars of the salty jarred anchovies. And what that does is it kind of adds a kind of a background, kind of richness, depth to the flavour. It's nice. It's a nice refined flavour. That's some soup. Some soup that my neighbour gave me, which is very nice. Parmesan. So it's just some bolognese. So you can just kind of cook this just like this, and it's a nice flatbread. Just turn it over, put some more oil in it and flip it over, and that's it. So this has got loads of garlic in it, loads of red wine, loads of tomato puree. It's really good. So just putting it on the heat like this just gets the base of the pan hot, gets the bread starting to cook. Just gives it a wee head start. That'll do, get 2 portions out of that. Turn that off now. And we'll grate some parmesan over it. I don't have my watch on. So I've got the oven at, we'll go a wee bit higher, 200 and 220-ish. So then we'll just stick that into the oven. So I'll come back probably in about, how long, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, 7 minutes-ish, something like that, so you get another portion of that. So it's a good way of kind of, obviously you can use that with pasta, or with chips. I bought some chips from the chip shop and just had some of that bolognese with chips, and then now I'm having the bolognese as a wee pizza. So it's just using the same bolognese meat sauce but having it in a couple of different ways, and obviously dead quick, dead easy to do. So I will come back in 7 to 10 minutes ish and we'll have a look. Alright, so that's I think it's about, still haven't put my watch on, it's about 7 or 8 minutes ish, and I can see it bubbling away inside the oven. So that looks pretty good, I think. Nicely bubbling, so we know it's nice and hot. It's not caught, it's not burnt the edges. So that's good. Smell those meal, that nice and soft but nice and sort of crispy as well. So the difficult bit is trying to get this onto the onto a plate. That's it. Dry it. I don't know if you can see, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but if you can see the base of that, probably not. It's got some nice colour on it. Crispy. Just from getting onto the heat straight away. So that's a Bolognese flatbread pizza. But that method of doing the pizza, the kind of the dough, the base, you know, it's obviously an awful lot quicker than and it's still really tasty. An awful lot quicker than doing the you know, kneading bread and letting it prove and all this and using yeast and stuff. This is just a really nice, light, snappy. Oh, it's really good. You taste the herbs through it. It's a really nice texture, nice and light with the oil and the milk, rather than just no oil and water, which would make it really tough. Oil and milk to make it nice and soft, and frying it in the oil makes it nice and crispy as well. Cat hair on that. So that's Bolognese pizza done.